What's good, YouTube? It's been 3 months, but today I got y'all a banger. I haven't seen nobody make this video on Instagram, TikTok, or nothing, even YouTube. Nobody talking about this. I guess some people make it, but they just don't share the sauce. But today I'm about to show y'all how to make these woven tags right here. And if you have not seen these on Instagram, go follow me. It's gonna be right here or somewhere right here. Go, it's the @ follow. Drop y'all bangers. And we hit 1K like a couple weeks ago. So trust, when we big, I'm gonna remember y'all. So you're not following, go follow right now. So this is what y'all gonna need. You need a seam ripper, a ruler, some bobby pins. That's just some extra stuff because I do not like using big scissors to cut off the extra string. And of course, you do need a sewing machine. So if you don't have a sewing machine, no luck in this one because y'all seen it was like a little bit distressed. And if you do not sew it, it's not gonna stay forever. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. And right here, I got some denim. You can also use canvas. You can see right here, it distresses on the side. And you also need a Cricut. So if you do not have a Cricut and you don't have some vinyl, damn, what the hell? But if you don't have some Cricut or some vinyl, you can also use some DTF transfers. I don't know if y'all want to use that. I don't know if y'all know about those, but they are also good, just like vinyl. Vinyl might be on the lower side. I don't really know. I don't really care. It just works perfectly. It washes every time. So the last thing we need is a heat press or an iron. If you don't have any of those, then click off the video, bro. Thank you for your time, but it will not work for you.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
So the next thing we're going to do is measure the fabric and cut it out. Personally, I do 2 by 3 inches. So 2 inches high and 3 inches length. So if y'all don't like it, man, get your own measurements. But of course, you're welcome to use my measurements. Just measure your logo out and see if it fits with the vinyl. You already know, we just finished this one. And do not worry about it distressing. Don't worry about the shape. Don't worry about it being perfect because we're going to sew it in and it's going to distress anyway. Now we're going to hop on the sewing machine and all we're going to do is just make a straight line along right here and all the way down here. Now we're done sewing the edges. It cannot distress in the middle. It can only distress along this line and it will not break the thread. Next thing you want to do is apply the vinyl to the cutting mat, just like this. Basically what you want to do is just get your logo in Cricut design space and click on make it. You want to connect your Cricut to your computer, mirror your design, and then press continue. Let's put this somewhere else. Now you want to grab your Cricut, turn it on, open it up. Now we just put in the mat. And I like to cut my vinyl on iron-on. And now we just gotta press the C. Now all we gotta do is take the mat out, turn off the Cricut, and then put it back into place. Now all you gotta do is just weed it out. It really be these little ones that mess up your whole entire design. So just make sure your logo is not too small for your Cricut vinyl. So when you cut it out, you can actually weed it out. Now we just gotta cut this, and just like that, we got our logo. All you gotta do now is just align it in the middle, and then heat press it or use an iron. All we gotta do now is just pick a place for us to put this label, and then put some bobby pins on it, and get this on. So it's just gonna look something like this. For me, I'm just gonna add some more branding. This is just a hang tag, and this one comes with a discount code with every single order. So if you do place an order with us, you're gonna get one of these, and it has a 10% off code. I'm also gonna add in this zip tie tag. It can be just cut off or just kept on. It doesn't really matter. I just realized y'all just seen the back of this, so if y'all have the code, use it to your advantage. As y'all can see, it's cutthroat on cutthroat on cutthroat. You already know we cutthroat. So y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all use this to your advantage. And bro, please add your own twist to it. I am the one that started this. I've never seen nobody do, oh my god. Hey, at this point, just use the discount code. But hey, I've never seen nobody do this kind of tag. I've seen people like do letters with it, like shorts or something, but I've never seen nobody make an actual woven tag of it with their logo. So if you do want this, and if you do like this, and if you do want to do this, please just switch it up a little bit. Use some different fabric or a different colorway. Like honestly, a different colorway would be fire. Like imagine a bright green or bright red, anything, right? This is just for my branding, because when I have this every single time on the clothes, somebody just consistently sees it, they're gonna be like, okay, That's cutthroat. That's cutthroat. That's cutthroat. But if y'all have the same thing, y'all just gonna look like some knockoffs. So I'm just recommending that y'all put your own twist to it. Yo, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did not enjoy it, do not drop a like at all. I don't want fake support. And if you did enjoy it, drop a like or a sub, because I'm gonna keep posting content like this. I actually want to be consistent with it. I don't want to keep posting videos every 3 months. That's really not cool, bro. Like, personally, bro, I would not subscribe to myself. So that's why I just gotta keep going. Like, I gotta make y'all want to subscribe. I gotta make y'all want to see the content. So if y'all want to sub up, show support, go ahead. If y'all don't want to show support, it's all good. Y'all can still watch it. I'm not tripping at all. But hey, I'm just telling y'all, there's a lot of big things coming. Me and my boy Al Wavy, go check him out on Instagram, al.wavy. His brand is called Digital Hustlers. That's what I got on right now. Cutthroat Brand, DHS, which is Digital Hustlers. We're going to the top. You already know, we're going to the top. We're not stopping at all. And if y'all don't believe in the vision, stay on your own lane. And if you do, then welcome to my lane. But bro, I'm telling y'all, go hit me up on Instagram. I don't know if it's right here. I don't know where it's at. But I'm telling y'all, send me y'all clothing brands. I'm about to be rating them in the next video or the video after. But hey, I already got some clothing brands, so I don't know if I'm going to fit all of them into one video. But hey, it's a series now. So go tap in if y'all want your clothing brands rated. And trust me, bro, I am not going to be nice about it. I'm going to tell you the truth. And bro, if it's nice, I'm going to tell you it's nice. I might even cop on video. I might even cop it and rate the video. Whoa. I might cop it and rate the product. Because, bro, I know y'all have some smaller clothing brands. Mine is not big at all either. But, bro, we're here to grow each other. So y'all show me support. Why am I not going to show y'all support? If it's fire, of course I'm going to cop it. I don't cop nobody's clothing brand, bro. After I saw mine, every other clothing brand like Nike and Adidas and all them, like, bro, I'm not showing y'all no disrespect, but y'all products are very trash. Like, the quality is ass, nigga. But hey, man, this is the end of this video. Go follow me on Instagram right here, and go follow the bro on Instagram right here. This is his brand, Digital Hustlers. Like, bro, that's a great ass name. Imagine, bro, Digital Hustlers. Like, who's not a digital hustler? Even if you work at McDonald's, you use a POS machine, which is digital. So go cop from his brand, bro. And he's dropping some older pieces that he wants to get rid of. So I'm telling y'all, if you don't cop it, it's gonna be gone forever. And he has some pieces right now. He's gonna ship it out literally next day or the day after. So he's not gonna make you wait. He's gonna make it, all that shit. Nah, he's about to ship it out tomorrow, the day after, or the 2 days after. So I'm telling y'all, go. Actually, I'm about to be putting his website in the description and my website. So if y'all want to cop some heat, if y'all do want to support your boy, go in right now. Go cop.